Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin on a daily basis, and we're also gonna take a look at Bitcoin on a 2-day basis, and take a look at the 21 EMA. As you can see, over the last few days, we've been talking about the 21 EMA on a 2-day time frame, and it is going to be crucial to break below the 21 EMA in order to stay to try to push the price to the downside. Okay. So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join our public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Premium, also link in the description if you want to join the Send Crypto Premium on Discord. All right. So now let's go ahead and dive into the BTC analysis on a 2-day basis. So on a 2-day basis, what we said previously was pretty clear over the last few months, going back to October. So we've been pretty bullish since October right there when we broke above the 21 EMA, and as you can see, even back at the 20k area, we did have a nice consolidation above the 21 EMA, and did not bears did not manage to push the price below the moving average right there. So pretty strong consolidation right there before the next leg up. And also we had a nice consolidation range right here, which was basically just about like a 42k down to 30k, and bears been anticipating lower prices, but you can see like they did not basically manage to close below the 21 EMA. So another strong support right there. So what we're saying right now is like we could possibly anticipate another bearish not bearish but another bullish setup in this box right here. Okay, just about the 2-day 21 EMA and 3-day 21 EMA, give or take. So we would be I would be saying like if a bear is going to be pushing the price lower, we could even see another retest of the 40k area, which is just about like the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis, right? But we're just gonna focus mainly on the 2-day basis. So it means like anything below 43, 44, 43 could get bought up very, very quickly. And at the same time, if you take a look at the previous resistance, which was like previous all-time high right here on closing basis, right, was exactly at 40,500 range. So basically a 40 low 40k, I would just say low 40k could be the maximum potential lower prices we could see on this correction. It doesn't mean we're not going to see any lower prices later on, but what I would anticipate within the next few days is like if we break the 2-day 21 EMA, we might not close below it right here. Okay, because as I just showed you, the 3-day 21 EMA is exactly at 40,300, 40,500. So closing below 40k might be very, very very tough for the bears, but we will see over the next like a few days, since like we're starting a new month, right, on the 1st March, right? It is going to be crucial to see what the bears going to be doing, of what the bears could do over the next like the first few days of the month. Okay, something to keep in mind also. So talking about the monthly, let's take a look at the monthly time frame also, right? So when you take a look at the monthly time frame, it is actually not bad at all. As I said, 3 weeks time frame is bullish, 50-day cycle is bullish, monthly it is also bullish. If you take a look at like ever since we broke above all-time high on the monthly, on the not on the monthly but right here, okay, close above just about like 11.5 on the monthly back in October. You can see like we've been moving to the upside the last 5 months. So pretty good. Okay, even like in March, okay, if we see a small volatility in March, I don't think it's going to change anything about the bull run. Let's take a look at it on Binance. I don't think it is going to be that bad, right, if like we get a low volatility month, but things are looking pretty great so far. So I'm not expecting a low volatility month in March. We could see a very, very high volatility next month, right? So now let's take a look at the 3 weeks time frame. The 3 weeks time frame, what we said is like it is going to close on March 3rd, right? So it is going to be crucial. We do not want to close this candle red, right? So especially closing the candle like this, that's going to be not so great, okay? Going in the next, the next few weeks and so on. So it is going to be challenging for the bears, right, to try to close the candle red. That's going to be the first 3 weeks candle, bearish 3 weeks candle since like September, August actually. Remember August, what happened back in August 12, right? August 12, that's when we started the downtrend for alt. You see what I'm saying? So it is very, very important. So it's been over like, over 4 or 5 months. Okay, we've been basically, moving to the upside. So we do not want to close the candle red. That might be something we need to pay attention to over the next like a few days, because candle gonna close on the 3rd. So very, very important aspect of the bearishness, right? But overall, the macro trend, it is still bullish. It might just give us another consolidation range until we basically confirm the bearishness, right? The 50-day cycle just started. We do not have any sort of like good data to anticipate a further move to the downside for the 50-day cycle. So I would just, say like the 50-day cycle, it is still bullish as we anticipated a potential like a sideways correction this 50-day cycle, right? As soon as we start the 50-day cycle, we said as soon as we start the 50-day cycle, we could see potential redness, okay? And that's what we're seeing right now. So sideways correction, candle open like on the 20th. So it's just about a week, okay? So retesting 50% of the body candle, we said it was like what, it is going to be at 40,000, give or take. And 40,000, once again, if you take a look at it, it is at the 3-day 21 EMA, right? So everything makes perfect sense right now. So we just have to wait and see. And not just that, right? 50% of the 50-day cycle, it is at 40,000, right? 40,500. At the same time, 40,500 was exactly the closing basis all-time high. You see what I'm saying? And if I switch back to the 50-day cycle, you can see it right here. So I think like anything between like 46 to 40K area, it is going to be a strong support for the bulls in all time frame. Okay, in all time frame, right? So once again, that could be the first. I don't think like it is the 50-day cycle going to close red, but if that's the case, we might be we might be facing like some tough time to break above above 56 and so on. But once again, we got like more than 45 days to go. So I think like we're still bullish. So we're gonna stay with the bullish uptrend until we get some bearish signal on the higher time frame. All right guys, that's all I wanted to cover for BTC trend. It is still bullish as long as we above the 3-day 21 EMA and above the 2-day 21 EMA. MACD cross bearish, but as I said, it is only going to be 25 to 30% bearishness, nothing crazy. Market is 70 to 80% bullish. So we still got more juice, potential juice to the upside if we stay above the 2-day 21 EMA. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.